Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable JavaScript on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to select versus Site Settings. And now over here on the right, you want to go underneath content and select versus JavaScript. If it says don't allow sites to use JavaScript, you then want to select sites can use JavaScript, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.